installing toilet handrail easily.
Shower, well, not a shower, but a handicapped handle right here. I already pre-marked where I think I want to put it, and the way I got those is I use a magnet. Found the stud behind the wall. There's, see it up there. Right there's another one, so that's where the stud is. And of course, these things never line up with two studs. So you can angle it up like this till you find out where the other stud is, which is right there. Which I could put it like that if I wanted to get in stud and stud. Or I'm just going to put it back here and angle it like this, slightly downward, so they can push to get up. The best thing to do would be to cut a hole on the other side, other room on the back side, cut a square out, put a piece of wood up against the back side of this, glue it on there, and then when you run the screws from this into that, it would sandwich that up against the drywall, and that would really, really hold good. But I believe this is probably good enough, just using these little plastic anchors. They open up inside the wall a little bit. Now on the handle, these things, you can slide them back. Well, normally you can slide them back. And expose where the holes go. And do it at both ends. Come on. Okay, and then what I did, and at the angle I wanted it back here, and then I went ahead and marked the holes on all of it so I can put a pre-hole. Now I want to see, of these three here that I have marked over the stud, how many of them I can actually get in the stud, and chances are I can only get two. So I'm going to pre-drill. Stud there, stud there. Now this one I could angle back and maybe get it, but chances are I won't. So I'm just going to put an anchor in here. Well, actually, nope. So I'm going to put an anchor right here. These I'm going to go ahead and drill with a smaller size drill than the screw, so it will hold into the wood. And then back here, 3 holes where the anchors are going to go. And these are the anchors. And this hole is actually too small, so that's just something to make it easier. And these just happen to be the same size as a Phillips medium-sized screwdriver. And poke them in. A hammer would work a little bit better. A hammer. Okay. This is a little bit bigger screw than what I'm using for the anchors. This is going into the stud. Get my drill bit. Battery's about dead. Need to go get a new battery. And one of these other smaller screws. And all these screws have a head on them. Help hold. If not, you'd have to use a washer. And we're going to switch to the angle drill because of the area I'm working in. Try it out. Yep, that works pretty good. Pretty good. Easier to get